Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to connect your WordPress website to a database using wp-config.php. These steps relate closely to each other to give you full control over your site's backend. First, before you touch anything, make sure you have a recent backup of your website. Editing a database is powerful, but one wrong click can break your site, so having that restore point is essential. Next, you need to log in to wp-config through your hosting provider. If you are using cPanel, just look for the wp-config icon. If you're on a custom dashboard like MyKinsta, navigate to your site, find a database access section, and click Open wp-config. Use the database username and password provided in your hosting panel to log in. Once you're in, the steps to manage your data are very straightforward. Click on the Databases tab at the top and select the database named after your website. You'll see a list of tables like WP_options or WP users. As a quick example of how this connection works, you can actually change your WordPress username here, which is something you can't do in the standard dashboard. Just click on the WP users table, find your user, and click Edit. Change the value in the user_login field to your new name and hit Go at the bottom to finalize it. Your WordPress site is now officially connected and updated through the database. That is it for this one. If this quick guide helped you understand your backend a bit better, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to connect this database info to a Tableau dashboard next, and I will see you in the next video.